In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to go ahead and do this, but all you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser of choice. So I'll be opening up Google Chrome right now. And then from here, all I want to do is go over to support.google.com. Once I go ahead and do that, just go ahead and go to Google Help, then go to Gmail. There's going to be a lot of different things that you could go ahead and do here. But whenever you scroll down, you're going to see fix a problem. So go ahead and click on that. And then just go ahead and go to Gmail messages are missing. So click that. Then you can check how much space you have left, anything like that. But what you want to do is go to recover your emails where it says request email recovery. Then it's going to open up the Gmail message recovery tool. Now from here, all I want to do is go ahead and press continue. Just make sure you're obviously on the right account if you do this. And now it says good news. We're currently restoring your missing messages. To see the messages, check the all mail tab on the left side. And then yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.